And alright, what is up? What is up? YouTube, welcome back to another day in the market. We're gonna be trading some news probably today. Gotta see if we got some news coming out. And yeah, ready for some market action. Let me fix this camera really quick. Too much. Alright. Seems fine to me. Alright. Yeah. Alright, yes sir, yes sir. Welcome to the stream. Let's go. Alright. What is happening in the market? Let's see. Alright. So let's watch the market right now. 4 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening. Alright, let's check out these drawings. We had a high around here. We have an all-time high around that place, right? No, this is yesterday's high, and this is probably yesterday's lowest around here. So we did have a gap up yesterday, right? Now this is the all-time high right around this place, right? So we have a big candle, small retracement. Now what we want to see is this candle, how does it react, right? How does it help us to anticipate the market, right? Now if you drop down to 1 hour time frame, and if we draw a profile from down here to up here, just in this range, right? Just in this range, what can we see? Just in this range, we can see is so market has most of its volume traded down here, right? So if it comes down here and right around this place, market sliced through, had some volume trading here and came down. So this might be a area of support for us. I mean support or resistance for us, right? Now let's look at a bigger picture. All right. Now look at this place. Let's remove all these indicators, except the market profile and the volume profile. All right, so what can we see? We can see right from around this place what had happened yesterday is let's go to a higher time frame. Let's do some nice pre-market analysis. I mean, I'm not gonna have a bias set, but I'm just gonna see what happened yesterday, right? And see what we can find today, right? Yesterday was kind of a trading day, right? And most of the volume was traded around this place. This place now is acting as some kind of a resistance, right? This place, POC, and another high volume node around here. Yeah. And value area high. Where do we see? Do we see a lot of volume? No, we don't see a lot of volume. We see a low volume node, right? Now what is up with the value area low? Value area low, we see some high volume node around here, some big volume being traded around here. All right. So these are our areas of support. Also this place. See how this reacted really nice. All right. So just mark these areas, right? Just mark these zones. These are the places where we want to be watching our price, right? Now, what do we see? Now the market just opened up right now, right? So we should be able to just sit around here and watch the tape. Now just look at the order flow. What is happening right now, right? Alright, this is our we marked our levels for here, and this is also today's value area high coming down. If we give a nice retest, then we might fade the edges, right? Now, buyers came in at 26, 27s, and then sellers came in at 21s, 25, 30. So it's a balanced market right now, right? Buyers come in, sellers come in, buyers come in, sellers come in, right? It's a balanced market. So if it goes up to 30s and we see some kind of absorption around 30s, then we can actually take a short up there, right? Because this is also a area of resistance. Now it also needs to form some kind of a structure, and so this is me calling out my trade, right? I'm not trying to teach nobody nothing, because I ain't no goddamn teacher, right? So I'm just trying to see and anticipate the market right now. So like around here, now we want to see some big buyers step in and possibly get absorbed. We see some buyers stepping in. Now this might be a squeeze. Let me enter real quick. Based off this candle. Let's target 2 times, right? Let's target 2 times the risk. I think that works the best for us, because now we're gonna see some form of squeeze. Yes, sirski. Just like that. All right. Let's see some of a bigger squeeze. Yes, sir. Just nothing but just a small trade, right? Trying to get a squeeze off this. Now do we see some buyers coming in? We see some sellers. See some aggressive sellers, but these are getting absorbed. We see some buyers coming in again. Now I'm gonna increase my position a little bit, right? Place my stop around here, 93. Target almost $200. And if we hit the TP, then we're gonna be good, right? And if we hit a stop loss, then we're gonna be good too. It's not a big fucking deal. That's part of the trade. It's part of the trading day. Loss is Loss is another opportunity to trade, right? Basically. Alright. So we
Order filled.
look like right. We did hit our stop loss right around there. Alright. So it's like this. Let me journal real quick. Alright. Around the top. What's happening right now? So we might be seeing some squeeze. See some buyers. Now these buyers are getting some follow through with more buyers. 34s, we saw some buyers. We're at 34s right now. Now if we break 35s and 36s, then we might go up right really high. So let's see some buyers coming in, right? Let's see some buyers coming in. See some more buyers coming in. Alright, let's start covering right now. I don't see any much buyers. Alright, some buyers starting to step in. Alright,
Order filled.
Let's go. I'll cover myself down there and
order filled.
Let's add some more to my position. Let it run. Let's let it run. Let's let it run to the all-time highs, right? Let's let it run to the all-time highs. Let's try it. Again, some buyers came in, but we didn't get any follow through. Now we need some kind of follow through, right? All right. 34s, 33s. All right. Let's see some more buyers. Let's see. Let's go. It's a combine account, so I'm getting a little more aggressive. That's what I would say, right? Or else I don't trade that aggressively because I mean it's a practice account. But yeah, I know. It's maybe a little bit too aggressive, but it doesn't matter, right? As long as we make money and we follow our rules. Sometimes it's good to be aggressive in the market. Depends on the market too. Totally
order
depends on
filled.
the market. All right. Stop loss number 2. Why did that happen today, huh? Why did that happen? All right. It's because probably due to the balance market condition right now. See, that's what happened. We again took a bias and yeah, we got stopped out again. That's why I don't like to do a pre-market analysis, because can actually mess with my bias sometimes, but I guess it's all right. Yeah. Alright, let's see if we break out of this range. See some sellers coming in. Let's see some buyers slice through these markets. 34.75, 34, 34.25, 34.75s. Alright, 35s, 35s. See, here's the thing. I did kind of conflict my bias today, right? It was a balanced day, balanced market condition, and instead of taking a short, I actually took a long. Yeah, so number 2 trade I would say was so after number 1 trade, number 2 trade was definitely my mistake. I would say so. It was a revenge trade. Yeah, definitely a revenge trade. Right. Anyways, it happens sometimes. Your emotions slip up, right? So it's all right. It's all right. Just gotta be careful not to make it happen no more, right? All right. So let's watch the tape for now. Let's watch the tape for some time and see how do we react, right? Let's be completely out of the bias and let's just focus on the tape. I think that's probably better. That's what's been working for us, and yeah. Went up to 32.75s. See some buyers coming at 33.25s, 34s. We went to 34.25, 34.50s, 34.75, 35s, 35s, 35.25. Let's see 35.25s. Let's see 35.25s. Come on, buyers. 35.25s. We don't see 35.25s. We see 33 instead. 33.50. 33.25, 33.50, 33.25. All right, we see some sellers soaking those buyers. Sellers are absorbing the buys, absorbing the bids in the market right now. All right, so yeah, as we can see, the buyers are getting completely destroyed right now. Although it's just the first 15 minutes of the market open, already we are seeing that sellers are getting a little bit aggressive. The session delta is not that different. It's just 2,000 contracts to the bid and 1,000 contracts sometimes. So we might actually benefit from going to the short side, but we also made a short structure, right? So why don't we take a trade then?
Order filled.
Ask. And just in case, right? Let's put a white stop and let's watch the market. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. All right. I mean, everybody makes some mistakes. We did too. Right after the market open, we took one revenge trade. I mean, it happens sometimes, right? We're not algorithms. We're not trading bots. We have emotions. That's what separates us from these trading bots. But we also can adapt to the market. That's also what separates us from these algorithms and trading bots. So even if we make mistakes sometimes, it's fine to let it go, and it's fine to focus on what can we make it better, right? How can we make it better? All right, enough of that revenge trade. We're not gonna talk about it again. Now I'm gonna journal it, and I can probably show you how do I journal the trades, because might help you to figure it out. And I can just use my web journal. Where's my web journal? Alright, right here. Trading journal. So this is the day of following this new strategy, right? So we are 59 days in, and we are gonna compare 59 days of profit and those stuff, see how we progress with this strategy. Now let's go on. Alright, we did take a short, so I'm gonna log this trade in, and write down how I am feeling right now, right? So this is gonna be trade number 3. Took this short base of the absorption. So is it the balance profile, and then the profile top was starting to accumulate volume, right? We're starting to accumulate volume without follow through, indicating indicating absorption, indicating resistance, right? Yeah, resistance there. Let's drop a little screenshot of this so that we can look back and we don't need to scratch our heads, right? So this is what I'm talking about. This resistance, it's making this resistance. See how this is starting to accumulate, and we're starting to almost reject it. Lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, again lower highs, lower lows. So yeah, you get the point, right? Now if we break this and if we go down, then yeah, happens. Anything can happen in the market, because this is also a high volume zone, right? This is also a high volume node, and here is a low volume node. Here is a volume that can slice through. See what I'm saying? Just got from one high volume node, rejected, come down, and got some kind of a support here. Now anything can happen. I mean, it's alright even if we get stopped out or nothing, but let's hope for good, let's hope for betterment, and let's watch the tape. Let's journal really nice, journal in detail, so that we can look back and see how our edge worked out, and see how our edge gave up in certain conditions, right? So this is the trade we're in right now. Nothing crazy, nothing too much. This is probably gonna be last trade for today. If we lose this trade, then we're gonna be down $300. I think for this account, $300 should be a hard stop, right? Yeah, I think 300 should be a hard stop for this. I mean, our daily loss limit for this account, right? Because we need to make 3,000, so yeah, makes sense. 10% of that, $300. Yeah. Just trying to find my improve my edge. That's why I'm trading a small combine right now. I have a funded account with Tradify, so but I'm not gonna risk it because I think there's been some, sometimes you just feel like it's not there, right? It's not, you're not feeling the market. So I'm trying to take a step back. Sometimes I think it is important, and yeah, I'll be trading 35 after I pass this combine and maybe get a payout out of it. And I'm gonna probably combine all these accounts. If I see 1 month of profit on proven edge, then I'm just gonna take this account, use a trade copier, and copy trade, and we're gonna make more money. That's how we compound in trading, right? See, $64 buyers coming in at 75s, but are we getting some follow through is the real question, right? $34.75s, we're getting some buyers now. 64, but it says here 89, so I'm not sure which one is correct. 34.50s. Let's see if we get some rejection off the top. Alright, we saw some rotation down now. That's good. Okay, some rotation down with some profit potential to the downside. So the buyers are still trying, right? See some sellers coming in at 31.25s, 31.50s. All right. Nice. So we're starting to go down. let's have some trust in our read. To 76.15, so I want to be there. I don't want to be no buyer till 76.15. All right.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Filled. Order submitted.
I think we are at the down of this range, almost 16-15. I want to be covering my positions. 16-15. All right. So we have hot. We caught 18 points on ES. Let me put my stop loss to 6 points, almost at 6 points. 16-15, so I want to be a buyer. And we're almost up to 60 to 70s for the day. Let me start to cover my position. Let me take off one contract.
Order filled.
Alright. Let me take off
Order
another
filled.
contract. So last contract, I'm just gonna let it run. Trail my stop a little bit. Alright. 16, 17s, we're starting to see some buying again. And this is a small account. I think this one had a 120 and we're already up 60 bucks. So I might consider actually covering this. Anyway, we're gonna be stopped out at 50 points, right?
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Alright. Yeah. So a nice data point from up there to down there, right? Makes sense. Makes nice sense to cover our position, because see, right off this resistance, right? Right off the resistance, right off the support, we rejected that the price, the market, right? So I still think we might revisit this area again. So we just gotta wait and watch. See, if you put volume behind it, then sometimes
Order
these
filled.
pretty line on the charts might be worth looking at, right? But there has to be a context. There has to be volume supporting that your support and resistance zones. So always use a volume profile to draw your zones, right? And see how beautifully we just rejected off of this resistance and rejected off of this support. But today is a balanced day, that's why we rejected off of the support and resistance, right? See, it's a D profile. On a balance day, what happens? We fade the edges, right? Fade the edge. But on a trending day, if I had taken the same trade, then I would have gotten stops out, right? So you have to have context. You have to be able to adapt to the market, right? So I think that's it for today. A nice little break-even day on this account, this combine, and made around 50-60 bucks on this account. So it's really possible to trade a small account and make money too. You can consider that too, right? So yep, I think that's it for today. Gonna be probably trading tomorrow, or I'll be here for some backtesting session, alright? Alright then. Alright then. See y'all tomorrow. It was a fine trading day, I would say. Not the best, not the worst. Made some real money today. Alright.